Once a cart has been cleaned and equipped with accessories, it is packaged up and prepared to ship out from Harloff HQ. All carts are wrapped in shrink wrap and padded with styrofoam before moving onto a small crate which is completely boxed up. Large cabinets are also wrapped and padded before being lifted onto handmade crates much larger than those used for our carts. Boxes and crates are then loaded into one of our various LTL freight trucks for delivery. Our usual LTL freight partners include FedEx National, FedEx Freight, YRC, and R&L Freight. However, you can use your own preferred carrier by providing us with the account info for your selected carrier as long as they offer service from Colorado Springs. Once an order is shipped, you can utilize our dedicated customer service team for any issues or questions you may have relating to billing, tracking information, shipping changes and updates, or any other general questions that may come up as you wait for your order to be delivered. You can reach our customer service team with any questions by emailing customerservice@harloff.com, calling 1-800-433-4064, or you can also submit any customer service related questions or requests directly through our website via our customer service and warranty page. Once you receive your cart or cabinet, be sure to thoroughly look it over from top to bottom as soon as possible. If you notice any damage to the cart, missing parts, or any basic functionality issues such as drawers not opening or faulty casters, you will need to contact our customer service department immediately to get any issues resolved. Once you have contacted our customer service team, a warranty expert will then determine whether the cart needs to be completely replaced, have only certain parts replaced, or if a Harloff rep will need to travel to your facility to fix the cart or cabinet in person. To submit a claim to our warranty department, fill out the form listed on the warranty page of our website, giving a brief overview of the issues you are experiencing. While this is the best way to get any warranty issues resolved, you may also contact our warranty department directly by emailing warranty@harloff.com or calling 719-434-5943.